G'day guys, Damien from Defender 90 Orkney. I'm going to take you through something that is asked about a lot, which is my JETBOIL HALFGEN base camp cooker set. So let's go through that right now. So the cooker comes with one cooker, one burner. You do have the option to add another burner to this. It also comes with this 9-inch pan, and I've also bought a 5-litre pot. They call it a flux ring pot due to these this bit here, which helps the heating of it. So I'll take you through how to set this up. This all comes clamped together, so the cooker's at the bottom here, the 9-inch pan goes over the top. You've got these rubber clamps, take that apart. 9-inch pan, here's the cooker, and these work with a propane bottle. So I'm not sure on the size of these, but they're just a small little propane bottle that I get from like Anaconda or BCF. This is the attachment that attaches to the bottle, which attaches to the burner. So you put this cooker to the bottle, to the propane bottle. This is the connector. You've got JetLink output, so you can connect another one of these and run it all off the one bottle, and then you've got the fuel input, so that's where that goes. So you've got a starter here and also the fuel control or the flame control. So we'll start that up and I'll show you how that works. So you can get a pretty powerful flame. I can't even see that, but believe me, there's a flame there. Or you can get it down right down to simmer. It's really versatile, this cooker, and so compact. The only problem is that they don't sell these in Australia, so I actually bought this through an eBay seller from an international store. That's the way I got it here. I've got to say, this is also a little cooking off just the little JETBOIL water thing, but this is heaps better. So, you know, I'm going to boil some water for you guys first and show you how quickly that boils, and then I'm going to cook up some chicken and show you how that goes. So here we go. Well, I've got a 5-litre pot here. It's probably maybe half full, so 2.5–3 litres. That's plenty for, say, pasta, which is what we use it for, or even rice. You need less. So that fits on over the top there. Start it up. I'll crank that full blast and we'll see how long that takes. Put the lid on. Probably helps. Okay, so it's been about, I'd say, 5–6 minutes, and we're on the verge of boiling here. So as you can see, it's probably more efficient than your cooker at home. So really good for boiling. Now let's cook something up. I've got some chicken breast, which I've prepared earlier and marinated. We're just going to make some wraps, so we'll see how this goes. help is the drifter windshield. That'll cook, no worries. As you can see now, it's starting to fire up. If I put this on, it helps even more contain the heat. So, starting to get there. One side's pretty much done. Again, this is only on for a couple of minutes. Cooks really fast. The pans that come with this and the pots are specifically designed for JETBOIL to be really efficient and quick. So just be aware of that when you're cooking with that stuff. I think a few more minutes and we'll be having some chicken wraps. Okay guys, so that took about 6-7 minutes to cook these up. They're all done and ready to go. Can't recommend this setup enough. Why they don't sell these in Australia, I have no idea. But if you can get your hands on one, do so. Because if you like a small compact setup like I do, being in a shorty, all that sort of stuff, this is the go for you. So we're gonna have some wraps. JETBOIL HALFGEN base camp. Get out there and get one. Thanks guys.